Let's change 7 out of 25 into a percentage. Now, percentage means something out of 100. So 7 out of 25 is equal to how much out of 100? 25 times 4 is 100. You must study that and learn it. So what we multiply the bottom by, we must multiply the top by. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we have 28 out of 100, which is equal to 28%. Remember, this percentage sign means something out of 100. So this tells us we've got 28 parts out of 100, or 28%. Now, if we wanted to change 26 out of 65 into something out of 100 by writing an equivalent fraction, you can see it's not that easy, or it's actually not possible, because 65 times what will give us 100? No such number exists. So we can't use this method for such a question. What we can do, however, is, as you see here, we multiplied top and bottom by 4. We multiplied top and bottom by the same number. So that is the same as multiplying 7 out of 25 by 1. So we change how this fraction looks, but we don't change its value. 26 out of 65, we can change how this fraction looks without changing its value by multiplying it by 100 out of 100. Now, why do we multiply by 100 out of 100? Because we want to be left with something out of 100. So we are going to simplify this sum by, we're going to multiply these fractions by dividing top and bottom in the question. We're going to divide top and bottom by the same number until we can't anymore. But remember, we want to be left with something out of 100 when we multiply out. So we're going to leave this 100. So 65 and 100, I can immediately see 5 fits into both. 65 divided by 5 is 13. You can do that sum by yourself. 100 divided by 5 is 20. You must also learn that. Now we've got a top and a bottom here. 13 fits into 13 once. It fits into 26 twice. Okay. Now we've got at the bottom, we left with 1 multiplied by 100, and that is what we want. We've left that 100 there specifically. So let's multiply out to get our answer. 2 times 20 is 40. 1 times 100 is 100. So we've gotten exactly what we wanted, something out of 100. And this we change into a percentage, 40%. Now, instead of multiplying by 100 out of 100, we can rather multiply by 100 over 1%. To change any common fraction into a percentage, you could learn this as a rule. We multiply by 100 over 1, and we write percentage there because our answer is going to come out directly as a percentage. Remember, percentage means something out of 100. This is our something out of 100. So again, it's just 100 out of 100 that we've written in a different way. So this is the quickest way. We've multiplying fractions, so we simplify in our question. 65 divided by 5 is 13. 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now we can simplify further. 13 divided by 13 is 1. 26 divided by 13 is 2. We're ready to multiply out. 2 times 20 is 40. 1 times 1 is 1, so our denominator falls away. And as I said, our answer comes out exactly as a percentage. So we keep the percentage sign there. And there we go.